The CSS Editor can be used to add custom CSS to your site. From the main menu, click Design, and then Custom CSS. Above the CSS Editor text field, notice the warning that modifying CSS can potentially break your template design. Once ready, you can begin to type your code into the Editor field. You will see line numbers created as you add more code in the editor to help you easily reference pieces of your CSS. Syntax errors will be displayed at the bottom in red. You can also use custom images or font files in your custom CSS code with our File Upload feature. To access this area, click the Manage Custom Files button. You can click and drag files into that area, or click the arrow icon to select files directly from your computer. A thumbnail image will display along with the file name. If you have uploaded images or font files, you can write your code to the point where you need the file URL to reference. Leave the cursor where you want to place the URL and click the file. The CSS Editor will automatically paste in the file URL. Once finished, click the Save button to save these changes to your live style. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.